what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today's video is all about my kitchen. I am going to be showing you guys how I'm adding just some fall touches to my kitchen. Not doing a whole lot, just like little areas here and there, because my kitchen is a working kitchen. We are in here every single day. And it's a tiny kitchen. It looks large on the camera, but it's very small and it's not that functional. So I need all the space that I possibly can keep in order to, you know, take care of our everyday meals and things like that. So I'm just going to be adding some fall touches here and there. Also, thank you guys so much for giving me the grace. On Friday, I was not able to upload a video because we got some news in regards to my dad, and we're still trying to work some things out. So thank you guys so much for giving me that space and that grace to tend to, you know, my family at this time. I will definitely let you guys know once we know more of what's going on with him. But thank y'all so much for those of you that wrote me and was just like, you know, we're praying for you. I am just super grateful. And I just ask that you continue to pray for my dad's health and that God continue to just keep him strong, and he will live as long as God will allow him to live on this earth. It's a little bit disheartening and devastating, but we are working through it as a family, and I am just so grateful to you guys for giving me that space and time. Also, I am so not feeling well. I don't know what is happening, but I am just not feeling well. So please pray for me with that as well. Lots of congestion and just head cold and all the things, y'all. It's the season. It is 40 degrees right here, right now, when I'm filming this video. And so we are definitely feeling the cold weather. It is starting and it feels great, but at the same time, the weather, you know, the season for colds and coughs and illnesses and all those things, it's definitely starting to kick in. So please keep me in prayer with that. So let's go ahead and get back to this video. I hope that you guys watch it from beginning to end, and thank you guys so much for stopping by today.
On the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Ooh, this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden.
So I am super excited about using this beautiful platter, you guys. I do intend on using it for Thanksgiving and for my turkey and things like that. But I am super just excited about using it as decor as well for the time being. I think that it turned out so great and just gave that little space such a backdrop. By the way, we are getting ready to remodel our kitchen, and that's why I have not been able to show you guys all the kitchen, because we are actually in the process of starting to demo the kitchen and starting to renovate it. Majority of the work we are going to do ourselves. Just been YouTubing things and studying and learning some things. Like the major stuff like electrical and plumbing, we're obviously going to be outsourcing that, but the cabinets and stuff like that, my husband and I and my son, we're going to be doing that ourselves. So we're in the process of demoing some things, and even the lights underneath the cabinet, where my husband started taking that out, and he's quickly realized that he's not an electrician. So he had to leave it, but we are definitely in the process of getting this kitchen together and, making it as functional as we possibly can. And so it is in a state of disarray. It's still usable, but as you can see, the light on the wall down there, that's what I was talking about. My husband took it down, and we're gonna have to get it taken out anyway. So we're just excited about the new space, what's going to be taking place, and we'll definitely take you guys along for the ride. So here you see me, I'm just kind of adding little fall touches here and there. I don't want to overwhelm the space with too many items, just because I don't have countertop space already, and I don't want to add to the dysfunction of the kitchen. But this is the way that it turned out, and I am super happy with it. It's cozy, it's beautiful, and it screams fall to me. So definitely stay tuned, because I will be doing our pantry and coffee bar area coming up in the next episode, and I can't wait for you guys to see how it turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you next time. Bye.